Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to make two types of ginger pickles. First one is a taste of sweet vinegar. Probably you know, it's also called Gari. Gari is often served with sushi. Second one is a taste of soy sauce. Actually, this is my mother's favorite pickles. I hope you enjoy this video. Yes, let's go! This is a fresh ginger. It's from Kochi. The feature of it is softer and it has more water than regular ginger. Before making two ginger pickles, please explain about Kochi. This is a map of Japan. Kochi is in Shikoku. Do you know Shikoku? Shikoku is this island. Here is Shikoku. Shikoku is divided into 4 prefectures: Ehime, Kagawa, Tokushima, and Kochi. Kochi is in south part of Shikoku. Kochi flourishes with agriculture. The production volume of ginger, eggplant, myoge, and yuzu is the highest in Japan. Moreover, seafood is also great. Yes, let's go back to cooking. First, I'm going to cut a fresh ginger into portions. I cut the joints of it. It helps us to remove the sand easily and we can peel the skin comfortably. And then I'm going to cut the pink parts off. Like this. After that, I'll use these. So I set them aside. Okay, let's peel the skin. I use this small spoon. I rub the skin with a spoon. The skin of ginger is very thin and the shape of it is uneven. Therefore, a spoon is the best way to peel it off without wasting. Good. Okay, I'm going to wash them with water. I've washed them. And then I'm going to cut them into thin slices. First of all, I cut it into chunks to slice it easily. Okay, I'm going to slice it. Please look, these slices are about 3 mm. I think this thickness will create a nice texture. And this size is easy to eat. Okay, I'm going to slice them all. Yes, done. I've done cutting. Let's boil them. I prepared ample boiling water. And I add them to the pot. Then, I add the pink part of the edges of ginger as well. Okay, I boil them for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I remove them from the pot. I transfer cooked ginger to a wide surface sieve. Okay, I got rid of all of them. And then I'm going to sprinkle salt as soon as possible. I sprinkle salt over all. And I turn over them and spread. Then I sprinkle salt again. Okay, they are very nice and beautiful. And I let them stand until they become cool. Meanwhile, I'm going to make two sauces. First, I'm going to make sweet vinegar. I add 100 grams of vinegar and 80 grams of water. Finally, 40 grams of sugar. Nice. I'm going to heat it. Turn on the heat. Then I stir lightly to dissolve the sugar. Okay. Once it begins to boil, turn off the heat and let it cool. Next, I'm going to make mixed soy sauce. I add 100 grams of soy sauce, 20 grams of water, 20 grams of sake as well. At last, 20 grams of mirin. Okay, I'm going to heat it. Turn on the fire. Once it boils, turn off the heat. It's important to boil it, because I need to remove the alcohol from sake and mirin. Good, and let it cool as well. Once they became cool, I squeeze out the excess water. It's very important to remove the excess water, because the water dilutes the sweet vinegar and mix the soy sauce. Please look, fresh ginger has a lot of water. Please make sure not to forget. I'm going to soak them into sweet vinegar and mix the soy sauce. I'm going to divide them into about two. I'll add the pink part of the edges to sweet vinegar. Nice. I'm going to add this one to mix the soy sauce. Good. Next, I'm going to add them to sweet vinegar. Finally, I add them. These pink parts give ginger to a beautiful pale pink color. Okay? I recommend to soak them for at least 3 hours. And then I cover them with a plastic wrap to soak them completely. Okay? Next day, I soaked them for 1 day. Looks very nice. They absorbed each taste sweet vinegar and mixed the soy sauce well. Before arranging, I recommend to transfer them on a kitchen paper. Okay. Finally, I arrange them on a plate. Nice. 2 tastes of ginger pickles, sweet vinegar, and mixed soy sauce are done. Thank you. Did you enjoy? The second one is a taste of soy sauce is my recommendation. I wish you enjoyed ginger pickles. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.